in it and then I didn't realize what day it was, and then I'm like, right? Sure, let's go with that. Also, I did it. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's the day I have for you. Is it day 3? I think it's day 3 of box week. I was like in it and then I didn't realize what day it was, and then I was like, wait a minute, is it Tuesday? No, it's for sure Monday. I couldn't be lucky enough to be that far along in my week yet, so it's day 3 of box week, right? Sure, let's go with that. Also, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, you're watching this video and you're like, I like this kind of crazy, make sure you click the red subscribe button and join our forever little YouTube crew family thingamajigger. Also, if you're watching this video and you're like, you know, I love this, thumbs up. I mean, like, and then you're like, thumbs up. Click thumbs up. Right? That makes sense. Also, leave me a comment. Say something that you like or give me some positive, constructive feedback about what you feel about this video. Yeah, so today we're going to be opening Allure Beauty. Also, if you're like, hey, what's box week? It's where we have a video every day for 7 days. You're catching us on the 3rd day. That's it in a nutshell. I'm high energy right now. I've had a lot of coffee today. I had an espresso this morning. I had 2 cups of coffee at work. I had some Starbucks after work. I'm in this right now. I'm woke and I'm ready to be in this video. Okay, so today we're gonna be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty is a $15 monthly subscription curated by Allure Magazine. If you're watching this video and you're like, I wanna get that box, I have a referral code down below in the description box that you can click on and sign up for yourself. Allure Beauty lately has been one of the hottest boxes, I feel like, this year. They like reformatted their boxes here and it's just honestly been amazing. I also think that if you sign up brand new for the box, I saw something about getting like the Sunday Riley face oil. Don't quote me on that for sure. I just remember seeing something like that. I think it was Allure. So that's possible. So just check it out. If you don't already subscribe, see if that's something you could get as like a first time signing up subscription gift thingy. Also, we're going to be putting items into our stockpile giveaway, which has some like amazing stuff. It has a full-size Tarte eyeshadow palette, some awesome skincare products. Basically, once this box is full, I will be posting a video telling you how you can win it. And let's just get into tonight's unboxing now that I'm just completely scattered. Like, I feel like I didn't even come in here with a plan. I feel like I just was like, I'm just gonna go out there, I'm gonna do this. I did it. I'm doing it now. Still happening. Alright, so on the top, every single month they have a little magazine that tells you all about the products that come inside of your box/bag. Alright, on the top it looks like we have a gift, a $20, like they call it like a gift card, it's like a coupon at Bobble Bar. They put that in this month's box. Alright, right off the top we have the Do It All 3-in-1 texture spray from SGX NYC. I love texture spray. I don't know what it is, but I'm always like, okay, anything texture spray, I don't care. If it says texture and it comes in spray form, I'm gonna get it. I don't know, for some reason, I'm using it right now. I don't care if I'm going to bed in a few hours. I'm putting it in my hair. I'm gonna see how I feel about it. I like the smell. I don't know why I'm doing it like this, but I like the smell. Texture spray, so the thing with it is like, it's almost like another version of like a dry shampoo, but not a dry shampoo. What's going on with my hair now? That was a mess. That was a mess. So basically, texture spray is really great because it literally makes your hair feel like it's got a little something in it. Like, you ever like wash your hair? This is a long tangent. This was unplanned, but I'm going with it. You ever wash your hair and after you wash your hair, you're like, you know, I feel like my hair is like, just like really like that feeling? Texture spray. That's what it does. You're welcome. Alrighty, and this month, my bag, I just wanted to pull it out. The side is ripped and everything's falling out. What is it with my subscriptions this month where like the sides cut open? Do you notice that? Ipsy, side cut open. Allure, side cut open. Whatever. Alright, the first item we have is Floss Brilliant Levers. Never tested on animals. I feel like this, oh, I was like looking at it and I'm like, it looks like it's toothpaste. Apparently it's lip gloss. I'm excited to see what this looks like. I am a lip gloss junkie. This is pretty. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. It's so clear and pink. I love it. I love the container. It looks so fun. Like, it gives me such a super like 90s, early 2000s vibe. And it's like a really nice clear gloss. Like, I live for clear gloss. I can't get enough clear gloss. Like, honestly, like, I just feel like there can never be enough clear gloss ever made to satisfy my clear gloss craving necessity. Try to say that 3 times fast and you might win a prize. Probably not. All right, next one that we have is Avene Thermal Spring Water, Soothing Softening. Okay, so I'm guessing this is one of those like waters that you like spray on your face. I actually was just thinking like, I want to get some of that. Because I have like the little, oh man. Oh geez, I can't get it open. Ah! I need some help. I need help. I'm just gonna help. Anybody? I need help. Okay, hold on. I think I got it. I think I got it. I got it. I don't need help anymore. Yelling to the imaginary people in my home. Not really. All right, so I think this is one of those sprays you spray on your face. It gets really cold in your hand. I hope this is what you're supposed to do with it. Oh my God. Oh, I literally just misted myself. It's got an interesting, just like a tiny bit of like flavor to it. Not like, but just like a little something going on. I don't know. All right, next thing that we have is Moroccan oil, treatment oil for the hair. Okay, I feel like it's something we've gotten so many times that like, it's not something that anyone's really gonna get like super excited about anymore. Can you even see the container? But it's like that Moroccan hair oil. I don't need it. I'll put it in the giveaway box, but I feel like, dang man. Next we have, oh man, I needed one of these. This is amazing. Brow Gal, a medium brown brow pencil. But guys, check it out. This is amazing. It comes with a little sharpener on the end. That's wild. I actually, like, I was gonna tell you guys, I forgot to say it, that I needed a new brow pencil, and then I was like, maybe Box Week will just like have favor on me and a brow pencil will be in one of the boxes. Look at that. Dreams do come true, guys. They really do. All right, next thing that we have is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. So this is an all day eye cream. It's called Context Vitamin C. Can you guys see that? All right, I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. I'm pretty good on eye cream right now. Now watch, I'll say this and then I'll run out like next week. Hope that doesn't happen. But I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box. I'm pretty good on eye cream right now. But everything in the box I feel like was really awesome. I like this box. I feel like it was good. I'm looking from side to side looking for stuff, hoping I'm gonna find stuff, and it's like all right here. So to quickly recap, we got the Floss Lip Gloss. My new favorite lip gloss is on the front. I feel like that's true. Right there. We got the Brow Gal brown brow pencil that comes with its own little sharpener on there. I suppose I could actually swatch that so you can see what it looks like. Oh, it doesn't want to show you. Hold on. There we go. It's very light. It's a light brown, but I feel like I could build with this. I could build things with this. We got the Avene Thermal Spring Water Facial Spray, which just is like a nice mist. I feel like it's gonna make my hair freak out though. I feel like that mist on my face is gonna make my hair be like, because like a humidity. We also got the Moroccan hair oil, which is going into our stockpile giveaway. We got the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream, which is going into the stockpile giveaway as well. And we got the SGX NYC 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray, which I showed you guys what's going on with that. And we got the ripped bag. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we're literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you for day 4 of Box Week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Bye. Okay. Touch in Soul. So let's see here. This is Calendula flower.